Thank you for making us number one.
Left, right. There you go.
I love the Angry Birds movie. Large popcorn, please. Sometimes our moms hide the eggs, but not sometimes. I love my mommy. She reads me a story and then she sings me a song. She kisses me goodnight and she tucks me in. Mommy always works. I think I know one bad dessert. She ignores me. The Easter Bunny comes and he puts eggs. A huge bunny, but then I got lice and then she got all curly. One time my brother threw up on my mom. Happy Mother's Day. I saw a lot. Here comes Easter Bunny, coming down to everyone's house and hides every egg, and then she does it again. It's a he! No, it looks like a girl. No, it looks like a boy! Girl, boy, girl. It looks like boy, 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 boy. Girl. Hi.
I need some Angry Birds. Yeah, point made. Fire!
Deck the halls of boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. John, we know a gray of meadow, fa la 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 la. Truly sent you, John. Carol, fa la 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 la. Boys always get into it.